What is up, guys? Welcome back. So today we're gonna be working on the 300ZX. Today's the day. We're gonna put the motor inside the ZX, and I'm pretty stoked about that. I will show you the motor mounts we got from LOJ. Those did show up today, a day early actually, because today's Wednesday and not Thursday. But yeah, I apologize. My voice is a little messed up. I'm going through like a sinus infection, so my voice is like in and out. Might be a voice crack here and there, but it'll be all right. So let's take a look at those motor mounts. Here's the mounts. Some nice pieces. These are like billet aluminum with poly bushings. They say like Z32, got the LOJ at the top over here. So yeah, we're gonna get those put onto the LS7. So let me get that bad boy unwrapped and get the camera set up. All right, guys, so here's the mount. It is labeled right hand, faces forward. And also include some nice zinc grade 8 hardware. The holes are oblong for adjustment, so it gives you about, looks like maybe a quarter to a half inch, maybe 3/8 of an inch adjustment forward and back, which is nice. I'm gonna leave those just a little loose so we can adjust it if it's hitting the firewall. Nice thing about having a brand new block is none of the bolt holes have crap in them, so the bolts just thread in there real nice. All right. That side's good. I'm gonna take care of the other side, and then we'll get it on the cherry picker. Got to put the old intake on there for aesthetic. Hopefully clears up this shit. Yes. All right, guys, time for the best part. Pop these suckers on there. Maybe. This should be the right side, I think. Yeah. Maybe, I say that. There we go. Ooh, felt okay. Woo! Shit. All right, there it is, guys. Plenty of room for activities for headers and also these motor mounts. Those things are sweet. Let me get a light. Those things are sweet. The fitment in stabbing this motor, this was probably the easiest motor I have ever stabbed in a vehicle ever. And I've pulled plenty of motors out in my short lifetime. But let me crawl underneath. Let me show you how well they have it. I mean, look at that clearance. Perfect. Like, they have it down to an art. And it's, I'm pretty sure, if I'm not mistaken, it looks like it's slightly above the cross member, so that is nice. Power steering lines, they all clear nicely. And I'm thinking, I hope the hood closes. I think it will. I think it will. Let's try it real quick. See how much room we got under there. Oh yeah, I think we got plenty of room. You can see right there. It looks like the motor sits perfectly inside of the, let's see, can we get light? Looks like it sits perfectly inside the hump that was their factory. I'm probably gonna remove the underhood insulation just to give it more room. Probably just use some So I'm probably gonna remove this insulation here. It looks like the, what do you call it? The front of the engine covers. It looks like they meet up like right in this area here. But I think I'm gonna take that off and then just use some like that adhesive, that butyl thermal, like aluminum backed adhesive mat, and put on the hood just because I don't want it to get hot and bubble the paint on the outside. But yeah, she fits pretty good. I'm glad the motor mounts have some adjustment because it's always slid forward. So LOJ, they sell the heater core fittings that you, I think, shave those down, like cut them down, and then you solder on theirs, and it's instant 90, so the hoses will come out perfect. But yeah, it looks like there's plenty of room to access what I need, you know, for like AC fittings and all that. We'll have to get some. And it looks like the AC lines, we'll have to get some custom ones made to where they got 90s to bring them out as well and swing them along the inner fender here all the way to the front to where they need to go. But yeah, she's in there. Looks amazing. I'm glad it's off the engine stand and it's actually in the vehicle. Super stoked about this. And yeah, as you guys maybe have seen last time, the 4Runner, we got it driving, got it all fixed. And I noticed the idle air control valve under the throttle body. When it idles high, you tap it with a screwdriver or hit the throttle body and it idles down. So we did get a new one of those today. We'll be slapping that on in the next video. And then Monday, we will be registering the 4Runner and we'll be registering the ZX, even though it's not driving yet. I'm gonna go ahead and get it registered. And we're gonna work on this bad boy, get it driving, drive it around, get some miles on it, and make sure she's good, maybe daily drive it for a while. But yeah, as you can see, this is a beautiful sight. I'm super stoked about it. And ready for more parts to show up, ready to get everything mocked up. Our purpose of getting the motor in right now was to get it to where we can mock up cooling system, AC hoses, heater hoses, and then mock up some of the wiring that we need to do and figure out what kind of accessories we're gonna do. I think I figured out what I'm gonna measure for and try first. Excuse me. But yeah, super excited about this. And as always, guys, if you enjoy this content and want to follow along, just like, comment, subscribe, turn notifications on. It'll let you know when I post new videos. I'm only posting when parts show up, so they're kind of all over the place. Excuse me, I'm dying now. And if you turn notifications on, it'll let you know when I post. So I really appreciate you guys following along. And yeah, stay tuned. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.